Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, and I'm back with Blender. Today we'll be talking about the grease pencil tool and some modifiers. Okay, with Blender open, I have an empty scene. I'm going to go up to Add in the upper left, click on that, and we're going to add a new grease pencil object. We're going to select Monkey. There. This monkey's name is Suzanne. It's kind of like the mascot for Blender. With Suzanne in the center of our screen, off to the right, we're going to go to this blue wrench. It's our modifiers. Under Add Modifier, we're going to select that. Under Generate, choose Build. Poof, Suzanne's gone. So what that does, kind of automatically animates for us. So let's see if we go down to the bottom center and hit play. There's Suzanne. So Build draws Suzanne for us on the screen. Now, if we go to File, up in the upper left, New, 2D Animation, let's not save this. We're in draw mode with our canvas. We have pencil selected, and we're just going to I'll draw a face. So if I put just using my mouse, my left mouse button. Another eye. We'll do a nose, do a mouth, and a tongue. Doop. There. We'll go off to the side to the blue wrench. And this modifier here is being applied to our stroke up here in the upper right. Under Generate, choose Build. Oh, it's gone. But at the bottom here, you can see I have this little blue marker. That's our playhead. So if we click and drag that, we can see our drawing being animated on the screen. So if we go back to the beginning, we can hit play. There. It's a quick little animation. Alright, so I want you to make a doodle and then add a modifier. Use the build modifier. And you can see your little animation. Bye, kids.